All right, let's have a look at root notes and types. These will help us understand how things like chords, scales, and arpeggios are named. Now, the root note is the starting note and is the first thing in the name of any chord, scale, or arpeggio. For example, an E major arpeggio has the root note E, and an A minor chord has the root note A. On guitar, you usually find the root note on the big E string or the A string. Now the big E is string number 6 on the guitar, if you start counting from the thinnest string. So scales, chords and arpeggios with their root note on the big E string are often called root 6 shapes. Shapes with their root note on the A string are often called root 5 shapes. These are a really useful way to organize and memorize the shapes by focusing on where you find the root note. Now the second part of the name of any chord, scale or arpeggio is the type. This is where we see words like major and minor. Each word describes a particular sound. Major things sound bright and happy. Minor things sound dark and sad. You'll come across other types too, like power chords, pentatonic scales, and much more. The names of all these types might sound intimidating, but really they're just fancy ways of describing a particular sound. Okay, so remember that the names of chords, scales, and arpeggios have two parts: the root note, or the starting note, and the type, like major or minor.